Good afternoon, boys and girls. Can you hear me? Alright, we're going to have a performance of Russian music and dance. And you will see some traditional Russian instruments and costumes, and you will learn a few Russian words. First Russian word you're about to learn, "Привет," which means hello in Russian. Would you please repeat after me? Привет! 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 I am going to introduce the instrument I am playing. This one is called гармошка, and also it has another name, 25 на 25, which means 25 by 25, because of numbers of buttons on the accordion. On the left side, I have 25 buttons with basses and chords. Can you hear the accordion? And on the left side, I have 25 buttons with single notes. I will play for you a Russian folk song that is called Oi Moroz Moroz. In this song, the gentleman is riding his horse, and he is talking to his horse and complaining how cold it is. Ой, мороз, мороз, не мороз меня, не мороз меня, моего коня. Моего коня белогривого, у меня рана, ох, грибая. У меня жена, раскрасавица, живет меня домой, ждет, печалится, ждет меня домой, ждет, печалится. Спасибо. Thank you very much. And next instrument I'm going to introduce to you is called the balalaika. Balalaika is a small triangle instrument that has 3 strings. 2 of the strings are tuned the same, A. And 1 string is tuned E. Balalaika is usually made of a birch tree. The most common tree in Russia is a birch tree. And the song she will play for you right now on the balalaika is also called the birch tree. Thank you very much. Another chance to learn another Russian word, спасибо, which means thank you in Russian. Can you repeat after me? Спасибо. Can you say it louder? Спасибо. Next we're going to have another dance. Another number is a dance, and this is a dance of the hunters from Ural Mountains of Russia. Next song we will sing for you is very old Russian song, about 400 years old song, and it's a slow song about Russian brigand Stenka Razin. One night he had a dream that a gust of wind tore away his black hat from his head, and Russian people believe that that is very bad sign. you another traditional dance. And this dance is all the way from Siberia, from the coldest part of Russia, where the temperature in the summer goes up to 4 sometimes. Yes, and you will see 2 kids from Nanai tribe from Siberia wrestling each other. And Nanai tribe is very small tribe, only 12,000 people in that tribe. So you will see a wrestling match between 2 kids from Nanai tribe from Siberia. Thank you very much. By the way, this dance is very difficult dance to perform. Thank you. Please be quiet now. Next we're going to play for you a medley of songs. Some of the songs are Russian songs, and some of the songs are not Russian songs at all. And by the way, we're going to play it on the balalaika. I would like you to repeat that name, please. Balalaika. And one more time, balalaika. Thank you. Да стой старинною, стой семиструнною, что по ночам так мучила меня. And now we're going to have another dance. This is going to be a wedding dance from Odessa region of Ukraine. We used to have a lot of Jewish people living in that particular area, but most of them right now moved to Brooklyn, New York.